Hello there. In today's video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of linking your bank account on eBay seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned seller or a new user, this step-by-step tutorial will help you connect your bank account to manage your transactions efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log in to your eBay account. Simply enter your email or username and password. If you're new to eBay, you might need to create an account. You can choose between a personal or business account by providing your full legal name, email address, and a secure password. To streamline the process, you can also opt to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple if you prefer using those credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your main dashboard. Here, you'll find several options like Activity, Messages, and Account. To proceed, focus on the left side panel and click on Payment Information. This section is crucial as it houses all your payment settings. Scroll down until you find the Add a Payment option. This feature allows you to connect, update, or add a new payment method to pay for your selling costs or to receive payments. For payout options, here I will select Banks and proceed as shown in the video. If you want to add Bank of America for checkout, click Add Bank, enter your Bank of America account details, and save. eBay will verify it, and you'll get paid directly to your bank. If you want any other bank, then select it and enter the credentials. Now, if you want to add bank or credit card details for checkout purpose, follow this. Click on Add Payment option to get started. At this stage, you can see if your eBay account is already linked to a payment method. If you wish to add a new one, click on Credit or Debit Card. This is also where you manage your checkout and selling cost preferences. Simply click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions meticulously. Ensure that you provide accurate details, including your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Double-check all information before clicking Continue to avoid any potential errors. If you encounter any issues while adding a new payment method or linking your bank account, don't worry. Head over to the Help and Contact section, where eBay's customer service team is ready to assist you. They can provide further guidance on setting up, changing your payment methods, or resolving any technical difficulties. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to link your bank account on eBay effectively. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.